So today's an exciting day for me. I got the notice that my German Continental typewriter has finally arrived here. So I'm on my way to pick that up now. I have been wanting one of these machines for such a long time. It is the one with the image of the factory on the front of it. So it's one of those big standard typewriters, and it's shipped all the way from Germany. I found it there on the German eBay for a price that I could not let it pass. They are possibly not the most desirable machine out there for most, even though they are quite unusual. You do not see them here, so it's definitely a machine that I'm very eager to get. So I'm on my way to the post office and I'm curious to see what we are going to find. Shipping typewriters generally has been proven to not be very good for larger machines, and that's why I am worried that this might also be a problem for this. The advertisement definitely showed care and consideration for the typewriter they were trying to sell. They had set up a photo booth in such a way that it looked almost professional. I'm thinking the seller was someone who has done this before, so I think that might work in my benefit. Again, though, I can't say for certain until I actually see the machine. Consider it's a waiting game. I'm excited though, I can't wait to see it. Here's the slip, and there's the post office. Right, let's see what this thing is all about. And the box seems to be in very good shape still. I don't see any drop marks, no crinkling of the cardboard. Maybe here a little bit, but nothing significant. The bottom's coming out of it a little bit because I'm thinking of the weight of the machine, but I guess we'll see. It came all the way from Germany, so it's been around a bit. Let's get this open and see what kind of a shape it is. Double boxed, that's very good. Double boxed. I mean, there's no padding between it, but the double box itself is already a good sign. Because that means the bottom's not falling out of it because the machine's sticking out. But just out of sheer weight. Oh boy. What I might actually do is see if I can get the outside box out and then use that for padding. Yeah, that's not gonna happen, is it? Oh no, it's not. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this and get a garbage bag. Okay, sorry for the interruptions. Got a garbage bag. This is shredded paper. There we go. So far, so good. A bit closer, you can see. We are going to need this, though. Oh, there's styrofoam on the sides. Oh, there it is. Upside down. That's less than ideal. But at least it's padded properly, so probably it's just fine. Carrot move. I can already feel the carriage moving the way it should. Doesn't feel bad. Where's my knife? There we go. Oh, there was plenty of packaging or padding on the bottom of it as well, so I'm thinking this thing will be just fine. It's double padded, I can feel it. It feels very good, so I'm optimistic. There she is. I have to say, excellent packaging. The escapement works, so and there she be. Oh, the keys are bunched up a little bit in there. Let's free those up. There we go. It looks like two of the type bars actually come out, but that is a fix I will have to look into. Oh yeah. Oh, there does that happen? Oh well. So, two of the type bars I will have to fix. But other than that, the feet are there and they're massive. Let me get this in a place where you can see it. And not cut myself in the process. Oh, I see how that works. Oh yeah, that should be an easy fix. And there it is. Continental Typewriter. And then these little doors that should open. Oh, I see how that works. Okay, I'll just take those out until I have a chance to fix this. So aside from two loose type bars, this thing has managed to cross the Atlantic without issue. What key is that? Oh, that is the. Can't even tell. That's the period key. So I have to fix the period key, and I have to fix the 7 key. But this thing is in very nice shape, and I do not see any shipping damage. We might have a winner. You can tell I'm excited, probably. Oh, I see. I even have 2 tab keys. what that's getting hung up on, but I'll fix it. This is great. There it is. Probably from around the late 1910s, but I'll look up the serial number, get you an accurate number, or an accurate year. The spools are in it. I am very happy with this one.